Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Frida Baby 3-in-1 Nose, Nail, and Ear Picker. It's received 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's an Amazon choice item and over 4,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Parents, we know that keeping your little one clean and comfortable can be a challenge. That's why the Frida Baby 3-in-1 Nose, Nail, and Ear Picker is a must-have for every diaper bag and nursery. This all-in-one tool is designed to safely and gently remove boogers, earwax, and dirt under tiny nails without struggle. The soft, flexible, and BPA-free design ensures comfort, while the easy grip handle gives you total control. Plus, it's reusable and easy to clean, making it an eco-friendly alternative to cotton swabs. Say goodbye to fussy cleanups and hello to a happier, healthy baby. Frida Baby 3-in-1 Picker is the tiny tool that makes a big difference. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.